What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel where we talk about sneakers, streetwear, music, and everything in between. I'm your host Icarus, and welcome back to the show.
Hustle at Esplanade, head to toe, fear of God. Host a show, can't get enough. I'm a dynamite and I'm blowing up. No pressure like Logic, yo. Feel like Jordan with his tongue out now. Rookie moves like professional.
I appreciate you guys stopping by, and this is somehow a different format from the usual videos I make right now. It's 2021 and I'm trying to switch things up. And of course, a happy new year to all. I hope you're doing great and I hope you're doing fine out there. So agenda for today, I'm actually meeting my high school friend who recently got into sneakers. So he reached out and I helped him order new sneakers from StockX. So the shoes just arrived and he invited me to meet up, catch up, and do a little unboxing your channel. I said, dude, why not? So I'm dressed right now, ready to go. And I'm trying to mix things up a whole lot in my channel. I'm trying to write a lot more. I'm trying to think a lot more topics to talk about in the near future. And don't worry, I'm sticking to the topic of sneakers, streetwear, and of course music. And of course, who knows, we'll grow into more topics in the near future. And with that out of the way, let's meet him, shall we? And sneaker for today, Adidas Rivalry Low Human Made. I've been beating these things up ever since I've got them, and it's definitely one of my favorite pickups of 2020. If you haven't seen it yet, you can check out my review right here above. Don't forget your mask. Oh, ayun siya, oh. Sige, punta tayo sa loob. Basta. Ayan, parang ngayon lang kita nakita ulit, ah. Ayan yan. Hindi talaga nagsapatos para susot yung bago sapatos. Hi pa! Long time no see!
Vlog din daw, vlog?
Oo, syempre.
Vlog niya?
Yung vlog ko to.
Vlog niya? Ay, bayad ko lang.
Ay, babayaran. May discount pa daw yan.
I'm rich.
Are you rich? Change of plans, dito na tayo dito tayo magka-unboxing. Akala ko sa plaza pa eh.
Ay!
Hey, new pickup! New shoes, who this? So may clearance na kami, may bagong site kami para makapag-vlog. What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel where we talk about sneakers, streetwear, music, and everything in between. I'm your host Icarus, and welcome back to the show. Right now, it's a different type of vlog. I'm actually joined with my high school friend Philip right now. Thankfully, he invited me to actually review his latest pickup this 2021. And this shoe was actually released back in October 2020, around October 16, and retailed around 12,000 pesos here in the Philippines. But he got it for a steal right in StockX, and a lot of sizes are. And I do think this model is hella underrated, especially in this whole Jordan and dunk craze right now happening in 2020 and in 2021. So let's get with the unboxing. Man, this box is slick. And as with the recent StockX purchase, you do have a holiday card right and center, all out black Adidas 4D Futurecraft box. And here we go. Now, this is the Adidas 4D Carbon. ZX4D, ZX4E, the Aqua colorway, and this shoe is beautiful, man. Let's check out the other shoe. So as you can see, you get a default Aqua laces, but it does come with purple and highlight yellow laces right here. The ZX4D Futurecraft model does have an all-over aqua blue upper. Starting from the tip, you do have a darker aqua blue with a lighter blue right here in the toe box, and it's heavily perforated as well. So as you can see, it's really soft with a touch. I do think this would run true to size and very, very stretchy as well. Moving on to the lateral and medial sides of the shoe, you get the highlight yellow for the 3 stripes with a purple liner right here and the light aqua blue right in the middle. Moving into the heel of the shoe, you do have that suede patch right here, a suede or felt patch right here in the heel tab, and on the ankle it is pretty much padded, so it does add to that overall comfort with perforations right here at the back. And as for the overall midsole and outsole, you do have that futuristic 4D midsole, heavily compact right here in the forefoot as well as in the arc of the shoe, but expands a lot right here in the heel portion that adds more comfort as you step in the 4D model. As for the traction of the shoe, you do get a flat traction pad. It doesn't give a lot of traction, in all honesty. It's pretty much a mall shoe or an athleisure shoe. I don't know about the comfort of the 4D model, but as far as I know, it's a lot less comfortable than Boost. But once you break in this 4D model, it would feel a lot better. And lastly, moving into the tongue of the shoe, you still have that sky blue tongue, and it is an all-over one knit upper, so the tongue doesn't detach. And it's heavily padded as well to add more comfort to the shoe. Last but not least, you do have the Adidas branding right in the insole. And as for sizing and fit, Philip here is a true size 9, and as he fits this 4D model later, it does seem to fit true to size as he is a true size 9. O nga pala, and one tidbit about the shoe sa na-purchase mo, syempre, bibigyan kita ng story about the shoe. This 4D model is actually based and pays homage to the original ZX8000 model, the ZX Light Aqua, which is one of the original ZX8000 models back in the 80s, and it's heavily implied in the culture. It's a really nice touch that Adidas is paying homage to the older models such as the ZX8000, and I do hope they push more models such as this. Sadly, the 4D hype kind of died down right here in 2020 and 2021. But I do think it is an awesome technology to look forward to, especially in Adidas. We're moving forward into a time where they're looking forward to print out a shoe right there. See, back then, you know, around 2015 or 2016, 2017, yung mga Ultra Boost era, yung suot pa ni Kanye ito, hindi ito, pero yung Ultra Boost, Adidas was on the way. Parang kung saan ka titingin, the hype was on Adidas. And a lot were dreaming na sana ilabas na nila yung 4D model para kahit paano may hype din to. Ilabas yung 4D model with the Ultra Boost upper, ganun. But as we all know, the 4D technology came around later, around 2019. I'm not sure 2019 or 2018. And around that time, medyo mas sumikat na ulit si Nike with the Off-White collab, the Jordan hype and everything. So a lot of 4D models are slapped on right now. Especially yung first release. Alam mo yung first release ng 4D? Halos, I think, 20,000 or more ata yung original price. Sobrang mahal. Sobrang mahal yung pagkakagawa nito. But I am glad na they took down the price right down to 12,000 pesos. It is a little pricey for a soft shoe, but it is a lot more accessible nowadays. Even some 4Ds are going on sale. But this is a solid pickup nonetheless. Kahit na naka-sale to, nakuha mo sa StockX, it does tell a great story from the past, being originated from the ZX8000. Tapos ngayon, now in 2020 or 2021, sobrang solid ang pickup ko. So man, do enjoy your shoes. Thank you so much for having me review your shoes. Wala tayong interview kasi mag-interview. Magka-catch up kami mamaya-maya. But this is more of an unboxing channel and a sneaker channel. So later, we'll show some on-feet photos of Philip wearing the Adidas 4D Futurecraft right now. And new shoes, who this? Hey, boy! Damn, Daniel! Para siyang movie, alam mo yun? Seriously, para siyang amusement park or parade. So, kung pumupunta ka sa plaza, right here in San Carlos, kailangan mo muna mag-right over ng stop and everything. Tapos may schedule talaga. At then, i-monitor nila yung mga papasok or lalabas. Around 30 minutes or so, and then pwede ka nang lumabas, if I'm correct. Kasi I think we've signed for 6:30 to 7:20. So, roughly 50 minutes. 50 minutes time to go around the park eventually. So dito ko gagawin yung mga on-seat shots with Philip right now. I do hope you like the on-seat shots. Ito pre, di ko lang tour ba to?
Ay,
Tour ba to?
ayaw ko motor to.
Well, that sums up my first vlog here in 2021. But don't worry guys, I am switching different formats here and there, sticking to sneakers, streetwear, and of course music. Huge shout out to Philip for letting me review his pair of shoes, and a huge shout out to Pauline for accommodating us on such a short notice. And of course, I am looking forward to seeing old friends make it here in my channel. Till next time guys.